Picture this. It's a breezy Saturday evening. The scent of wood smoke floats in the air, guests gather on your patio, and right at the center of it all stands the Pizzello 4-in-1 outdoor pizza oven gusto, the heartbeat of tonight's feast. Whether it's perfectly blistered Neapolitan pizza, flame-licked steaks, or an impromptu bonfire marshmallow roast, this oven is your all-in-one solution, elevating dinner from simple meal to extraordinary experience. Tired of juggling multiple appliances and underwhelming results? The typical outdoor chef struggle is real. Pizza stones that crack after a few uses, leaving you half-baked dough. Grills that can't reach the high heat required for a bubbly, charred pizza crust. Awkward fire pits that are single-purpose, eating up valuable space on your patio. The Pizzello Gusto changes everything. No more flimsy outdoor pizza accessories. No juggling between grill and pizza oven. No smoke signal setbacks on windy days. This is outdoor cooking reimagined, versatile, smartly engineered, and built to bring people together. Product overview, effortless versatility, and unmatched performance. The Pizzello 4-in-1 outdoor pizza oven gusto is a masterclass in innovative outdoor cooking design. Its two-tier detachable system allows you to bake, grill, fire pit, and barbecue, all at the same time. With a massive 16-inch pizza capacity, you'll serve up crowd pleasers from family pizza to rustic flatbreads, fire-roasted veggies, or even wood-fired seafood, all without breaking a sweat. Highlighted features and benefits, bulleted for retention. 4-in-1 multifunctionality. Use as a pizza oven, charcoal barbecue grill, standalone fire pit, or combination baker, and even operate 2 functions simultaneously. Switch seamlessly between pizza night, barbecue cookout, or a cozy bonfire with simple reconfiguration. Party-sized 16-inch capacity. Feed gatherings big or small. Bake 16-inch pizzas, dozens of wings, party subs, or grill platters, all at once. Perfect for birthdays, tailgating, or spontaneous weekend barbecues. Precision heating. Designed with side-vented walls and a professional-grade cordierite pizza stone, guaranteeing even heat distribution for crispy, restaurant-quality crust and moist, tender interiors. Fuel flexibility. Supports wood, charcoal, or pellets. Choose your fuel for classic smoky flavor, robust char, or easy cleanup, and experiment to make each meal unforgettable. Effortless portability. Rugged carry handles on top and sides make moving the oven a breeze. Take it to parks, tailgates, the beach, or just chase the sun across your own backyard. Complete accessory bundle. Everything you need right from the box: stainless steel pizza peel for effortless sliding, 16-inch pizza stone, durable waterproof cover, grill grate, and a removable ashtray for quick, mess-free cleaning. Smart design, spacious cooking. Dual-level design means no flavor cross-contamination. Grill chicken below while pizza bakes above, each in their own perfectly controlled space. What makes the Pizzello Gusto genuinely unique? Imagine this. Kids building their own pizzas with their favorite toppings, friends gathered around the fire swapping stories, everyone savoring fresh, crisp slices straight from the oven. On other days, you throw on thick-cut steaks and corn on the cob on the lower grill while roasting sweet potatoes up top. All these scenarios, one oven, zero compromise. The key to the Pizzello Gusto's success is its absolute flexibility. It liberates you from rigid cooking sequences. No waiting for the grill to cool down or the oven to heat up. You can run the show simultaneously. The top 3 benefits you'll love. 1. Restaurant-quality results at home. Consistent high heat and moisture control mean every pizza emerges with that classic char and delicate chew. No more soggy bases or fighting with unpredictable oven temperatures. 2. Save time. Serve more. 2 levels, dual functionality, and easy cleanup means less time juggling, more time hanging out and eating. 3. Elevate every event. From casual family dinners and game day feasts to formal backyard parties. This oven adapts, impresses, and delivers, time after time. Who is this oven crafted for? The host with the most, who loves dazzling crowds and creating unforgettable meals. The pizza enthusiast who won't settle for less than a crackling, wood-fired crust. The grill master seeking juicy, flame-seared results with true wood flavor. The outdoor adventurer or camping loyalist, wanting a portable oven for wilderness feasts. The modern family looking for a fuss-free way to get everyone cooking, laughing, and making memories outside. In summary, the Pizzello 4-in-1 Outdoor Pizza Oven Gusto is far more than a pizza oven. It's a complete outdoor cooking powerhouse. With its multifunctionality, generous capacity, innovative two-tier design, and effortless portability, it empowers you to create unforgettable moments, whether you're hosting a backyard celebration or enjoying a quiet family night under the stars. From perfectly crisped pizzas to juicy flame-grilled meats and cozy fireside gatherings, this oven rises to every occasion. Invest in versatility, quality, and true wood-fired flavor. Make the Pizzello Gusto the star of your outdoor kitchen and elevate your cooking experiences all year round. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.